Racing just is started. We have Chikatsu. Break quickly at the start. All in. Blind Ambition is down on the inside. Other Rose comes next. Europa. Then followed over by entry number 5. And this one is Favorite Chanel, who's the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Chikatsu. Goes on by about 2 lengths. And in second is All In. 4 lengths further back in third comes Blind Ambition. Honor Rose Europa comes next, while Favorite Chanel is still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance, they traveled with Chikatsu by about 2 lengths. All in second. Honor Rose moving up down on the inside now is Europa. Blind Ambition now in fifth, while Favorite Chanel is still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn, we have Chikatsu maintaining a length and a half lead. And in second is All In. Then here comes Europa moving up down on the inside. Honor Rose, Blind Ambition, while Favorite Chanel is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Chikatsu by our length and a half. Europa is on the outside second. Last 100 meters, we have Chikatsu. Europa moving up on the outside to take the lead. We have Europa. Chikatsu drops back in second. And finally, we have Europa. Chikatsu, Honor Rose, All In. Then comes number 5, Favorite Chanel and Blind Ambition.
Something must have happened with Blind Ambition. Bigla na lang naiwan